Hi, it's Brian from StreetSnappers here with another street photography quick tips video. Just a quick reminder to please subscribe to my channel if you're into street photography. There's always masses more to come and I'm working on some really exciting new video concepts, so stay tuned. So the sole aim of this quick tip is to help you become a better street photographer by doing one simple thing, and that's practicing. Don't get me wrong, there are lots of other ways we can improve as street photographers, and I'm not suggesting this is the only one, but it's perhaps the one that's most overlooked. Anyone who's into street photography will have noticed just how much material there is out there for us to absorb. Blogs, YouTube videos, discussion groups, books, films, the list goes on, and it's brilliant. Street photography now has the voice it deserves. But with that comes a lot of what I call noise. There's just so much information to absorb, and most of us get drawn in and we have this yearning for learning, which is great, but we know it will make us better street photographers. And I've seen some people get to the point where they're relying so heavily on this information handed to them on a plate that they're not getting out there and finding their own way. They're not having the experiences, they're not putting it all into practice, they're not making the mistakes. All the things that are an essential part of our creative development as photographers. So today's quick tip is something which really might sound obvious, but it's something we just don't do enough of. And it's all about getting out there and practicing. If you're anything like me, you're probably very good at making excuses. It's too hot, it's too cold, it's too wet, I'm too tired, I'm too busy, I can't spend a whole day doing street photography, my partner won't be happy, etc, etc, etc. We can all find a good reason not to go out and shoot. But like musicians, we need to practice our art in order to get better. Buying a book won't necessarily make us better, and buying lots of gear almost certainly won't. And don't get me started on the dreaded GAS, gear acquisition syndrome. I could make a whole new video about that. But practice will make you a better photographer. If you were to ask any of the greats, Winogrand, Marowitz, Levitt, Davidson, Frank, about what they believed made them good street photographers, I'm pretty sure they would all say the same thing. And it's all about getting out there and doing it. High mileage equals more keepers. It's a simple equation. And there's only so much you can get from a book or an online course or a film. And you need to really cross that pain barrier. Get over the boredom threshold and just do it. Work on your observation skills. Work on your ability to judge the light, your timing, the way you see the world, the way you interact with your environment. Work on specific skills or techniques. Work on what your weak points are. Just get out there and practice. Practice to the point it becomes instinctive. Practice until it hurts. It will pay off. Now, if you need inspiration to help you practice those skills and practice practicing, maybe have a look at my latest book, 52 Assignments Street Photography. I'll pop a link below. And of course, you'll get plenty of opportunity to practice on a workshop. Just go to StreetSnappers.com to see what's coming up. So that was a quick tip. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope to see you again next time.